Oh, not talk so much, boy.
But them cuss, but them go and complain. One up them pressure coming on if again.
Sting need to get alkaline.
Them run.
Did you make an approach?
Them run.
Eh?
Them run.
Them run.
Them run.
Them run. Alkaline them run.
I don't know what to do with my money. I want a baby to take care of. I see someone on a breed for some little loose boy. When I take care of the pitney, when I feel a call. You know, I said the money can give me for pump. Right now, I need a baby who can give me a baby. Nice, rich boy like me. I want a baby to take care of.
You even offer them all heap of money.
Wow.
Yeah, but them never take it.
Did they ever? Has he ever performed that Sting?
There's bad history.
Remember, you know, I did manage to skate for the tool.
Missy VYBZ KARTEL do a thing. I'm looking into what I'm doing and I said, Jano Star. Rate that's something that I see him doing now. I see him meet up with this youth named Jayden. And you know what him do? Him give the youth a brotherly hug.
What amount of cash do you carry around?
Well, me always walk with like $1 million, Mr. Winford.
So you walk around with all this, but aren't you afraid that you may be targeted?
There was an interview where my dad did say something at the time, but I guess him shouldn't have did say it, but I can't tell him say him shouldn't have did say it because I don't know the reasoning behind it. But he was taken offensively.
Okay.
So, and then time the alkaline get hot.
You come shut it down like a shutter. You don't know if you let that thing go. Dutch.
So I'll go on my people, right now we're there for giving us some quick updates. But first, respect for tuning into another video. Yeah, and from when you see the thumbnail and the title, they don't already know what is on the agenda today. And right now people, yeah, we have a lot of updates for going on. But before we kick off the video the real way, we see where in which Pops YG is sending a message to the females them. So females want to listen what Pops YG has right here and drop on the honest thoughts down into the comment section.
Ladies, I want to come boy right now. Well, let me look upon the time. But I'm really rolling. Alright, I see the time, although I can't read it. I just buy it. I don't know what to do with my money. I want a baby to take care of. I see someone on a breed for some little loose boy. When I take care of the pitney, when I feel a call. You know, I said the money can give me for pump. Right now, I need a baby who can give me a baby. Nice, rich boy like me. I want a baby to take care of. I need to start do so much. I need to start do something with my money. That boy KFC give fucking idiot attack them every day. Now make no blood clot sense. I'm picking him on. Now give me pitney. Who want to give me a baby? Tell me now.
Yeah, so to all of the females them sharing the thoughts on that, you see me I say. Yeah, and people, we also see where in which Pops YG had an interview with Winfred Williams on stage. And Winfred Williams asked Pops YG the question, how much money him walk with, like when him a touch the street, etc. And this was Pops YG response.
What amount of cash do you carry around?
Well, me always walk with like $1 million, Mr. Winford. Right now, I have some money in my bag. I can show you an example.
Yes, let me see.
Yeah,
so you have money in that cash in that?
Mr. Winford, I still account all money. Cause I remember when new money making it.
Yeah.
You see it? See that, Mr. Winford, I still account all money. You understand?
So, okay, so you walk around with all this, but aren't you afraid that you may be targeted and robbed?
Mr. Winford, nobody now really see me in the street and like play with me there with because they know me a youth and me motivate them to do the right thing.
So they love you so much, you're saying, that they wouldn't want to rob you?
No, I don't feel say them are going to do that.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's risky. No, you know you say that, it's a risky thing to do.
I go up on stage already, I perform.
Yes.
I break drop out of my pocket and one of my fans them give me back in, could I take it?
Yes, so drop on the honest thoughts down into the comment section and all of that, you see me I say. Also people, we see where in which Chronicler was performing at Rebel birthday party, you see me I say. And basically Chronicler send big ups to Jayden and a lot of people have been having mixed reaction about that. You see me I say, a lot of people say, oh, Chronicler not for big up Jayden because Jayden honor nobody, while a lot of people are big up Chronicler for doing it, you see me I say. But people hear what, I want to check out what Chronicler have to say and drop on the honest thoughts down into the comment section. Yes, so people, that is it from the law boss himself, as I may say. And even though law boss a big up Jayden and I make him know say, yeah, youth, we see the work where you put in. Law boss I make him know say, watch out now, we not big you up for the bag of eating where you do, etc. As I may say. Also, people, we see we're in which dancehall artists, VYBZ KARTEL also link up with Jayden. As I may say, yeah, and a lot of people have been sharing their opinion on it. And basically, a lot of people have big up VYBZ KARTEL feet. As I may say, because basically the artist show Jayden respect in which way enough people never really expect say, you know VYBZ KARTEL would a really evil deal with Jayden based on you know Jayden reputation already and what him stand for on TikTok. As I may say, and a lot of people are big him up because the artist embrace Jayden like I'm son. As I may say, so you don't know, big up to VYBZ KARTEL for that. But people, instead of me I go there telling you everything, I want to check out this.
Yeah. Jayden no rape. Remember, you know, I did man say skate for the tool. Yeah. And when the sun has shine with blood clot tool. And we in them girl hole. What is that on my nose? I'm out. I'm out.
Yes, so that is it, my people, as I may say. And we can even hear VYBZ KARTEL endorse Jayden slang, which is skate on the tool. As I mean, people want to know drop on the honest thoughts and that. As I mean, do you all think that we should skate on the tool, etc.? Yeah, and also, people, we also have Shocking Murray right here is giving his opinion on the whole situation. So, people, check out this video also.
Missy VYBZ KARTEL do a thing. I'm looking into what I'm doing, and I said, Jano Star. Rate that's something that I see him do, you know. I see him meet up with this youth named Jayden. And you know what him do? Him give the youth a brotherly hug. And even quote one of the youth, you know, slang, skate on the toll road thing there. I mean, I look into it and I say, Jano Star. We need more of them things in our society, you know. Sure, we want to have more respect and more love, you see it? Because it's the brotherly hug there. Yeah, man, it's a brotherly hug. I respect that. Because I know enough people would have looked for say, Cartel would have dissed the youth there, you know. But I'm sure the youth love and respect. And I respect that, man. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Alright, so man. More love in the thing.
Yes, so that is it. Sharing our honest thoughts on that, people. Also, we see we're in which Sting promoter Laing is stating that they have approached ALKALINE to work at Sting this year, 2024, and ALKALINE has turned down the offer. You see me I say, and for all who don't know, yeah, basically ALKALINE and Sting is like kind of in a bitter water. You see me I say, because ALKALINE never really performed at Sting yet, but in 2013, the artist was booked to perform. You see me I say, and there was a little mishap where the artist never really get to perform. I think it was the artist missing time, etc. You see me I say? So you know say in 2014 ALKALINE was just like reaching his peak where you don't know the artist thing they kind of take off. So ALKALINE was the hot artist in 2014. And he was also booked for a Sting that year just the same, but also him never really get to perform because of all of these mishaps to same way. So there is a lot of bad water between ALKALINE and Sting. You see me I say? And Laing did go up on an interview at that point in time, and basically Laing did state, yeah, it's not like we did really need him, etc. So we all know how that go, you see me I say? And at the end of the day, you know, say ALKALINE not go really like that as an artist, you see me I say? But basically right now, people, Laing is explaining everything, you see me I say? And really and truly, him even say, yeah, them offer ALKALINE a whole heap of money to perform, you see me I say? And basically, we also know that a lot of persons have been stating that it would be good for Sting if Sting could really get ALKALINE to perform this year, 2024. Because at the end of the day, we all know that VYBZ KARTEL Freedom Street is the 31. And everybody has say, yo, it would be good if Sting can really get ALKALINE for really push Sting a certain way, people. You see me I say? But here, I'm not going to talk about the thing. I want to know, listen to what Laing say right here. So, yeah, and drop on the honest thoughts down into the comment section on this situation.
Sting need to get ALKALINE.
Did
you make an approach?
Them run.
Eh?
Them run.
Them run.
Them run.
Them run. ALKALINE them run.
Oh.
Who's slow now?
I just didn't hear exactly.
No man, that was the first idea I had for you.
Really?
But I asked them give me all sort of reasoning. I tell them say I'm here on the show. Whatever thing I did have with Daddy, just allow that. I apologize. I tell them say I'm sorry say that happened. I'm gonna like say sorry.
Yeah, it sounds like you have a problem just saying just no.
Yeah, so I try. You get me? I even offer them a heap of money.
Wow.
You get me? But them never take it.
Has he ever performed that thing?
There is bad history.
Because I don't recall ever,
But you know how the brand always get the blame for some things and we really do?
Yeah.
Yeah, but there's other things too where the brand really do still. You know, me apologize, I never mean.
So you apologize on behalf of the brands.
God.
You get me?
What was the biggest reason or the reason what stand out to you when I'm saying nah do it?
You know, say I just one thing them say to me, them say other things to other people, you know. Meaning say other people say this and that, you know. Where them say to them, you know, claims to, but me not know in a grapevine. I not really listen to what people say sometimes.
But what was it to you that they said?
I just feel like say there was an interview where my dad did say something at the time, but I guess him shouldn't have did say it, but I can't tell him say him shouldn't have did say it because I don't know the reasoning behind it. But he was taken offensively.
Okay.
So and then time the alkaline I get hot. But that was the year. Let me tell you. It's a touchy situation when you see an artist and you know say him gonna run the year. I think that was 2014.
Yeah.
I would give him the run where I say can they come to do 2013 and something and him never perform. Right? You miss him time for perform. And some other things. Cool. So we'll come the next year and I say, since him not get to perform last year, I gotta try make him the headliner for that year.
Okay.
But then I don't know what happened. Like it fall through and I guess them hold on to the same past event what happened. And my father going at the interview and said something like, I don't remember what I said. Because I'm not really too follow it up here. But he said something. Like say, yo, them we never did need him.
Okay.
But, you know, those feelings, you know, remember say we did really want him for real. You get me?
Men and the egos, yeah.
Yeah, but you know how that go.
I remember even every day when him did father, like him just say like Alkaline and even Popcorn kind of kill stage show business because you know like them unwillingness to do certain shows that are legacy and important to the people.
To the culture.
To the culture, yeah. It's like them unwillingness to not do it kind of kill it out in a sense.
And them do them own thing.
Because remember, you know, you have to lead by example. You see, if a younger artist, them see say that, yeah, do as a big artist, them I gotta just come turn big artist and want to do that too. You get me?
Yeah.
That's why stage show thing get so harder.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is it, people. You see me I say, yeah, I want to share your thoughts on everything we want to see in the video. And to all the Vendetta fans, would you have liked to see Alkaline perform at Sting 2024? Yeah, share your thoughts down into the comment section and make we discuss it. Also, people, you know say at the end of the day, we have come to the end of the video. So also, remember to give this video a like. Yes, subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notification bell so that you can get all of the latest updates from Flava Media Ent TV. And people who already know how we do the thing over here. Peace, love, unity, bless up every day, every time. I'm out.